We're going to be making a snowman portrait today. What you need is a white paper and some crayons. I'm going to be using paint. You could use paint too. That's optional. We're going to use shapes. So first I'm going to start with a half circle from one side to the other. That'll be our snowman body. Then I'm going to do a scarf. A scarf is going to be a rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has two short sides and two long sides. And then I'll do another rectangle hanging off of the scarf. Two short sides and two long sides for the scarf. And then a circle head. And I want my snowman, instead of looking forward, it's going to be looking up. And what's the shape of a snowman's nose? It's a triangle. So I'm going to draw my triangle. I'm going to do a straight line across and a diagonal line up and a diagonal line up. Like the snowman's looking up. And then I'm going to use little circles for dots of little rocks for the snowman's mouth. I'm going to add more lines to my triangle to make it look more like a carrot. And now I'm ready to color or paint. I'm going to color my carrot nose orange, going around the outside. And then taking steps. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps. And then I'm going to add a pattern onto my snowman scarf. A pattern is something that repeats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do blue line, and then I'll do a purple line, and I'm going to repeat blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, and I'm going to repeat that until I fill up my scarf. That's a pattern. I could continue the pattern by doing little lines like the scarf has yarn hanging off. And now I can do some blue crayon in the background for the sky, or I could do white crayon and do little dots, pressing hard, and then I'm going to put some blue paint over it, and magic will happen. It's actually science. It'll be a wax resist. The white dots will appear because they push away the watercolor. So I'm going to wake up my color by rubbing it gently, and I'm just going to go around my snowman. I keep my paintbrush on its tippy toes and dance it around like a ballerina. And I'm going to do that half of the paper first. I'm going to go side to side. Make sure you have a table saver like I do under your painting so you don't make it messy. As I'm painting, you can see the white crayon shining through the watercolor. This is called wax resist. The crayon pushes away the watercolor and the snowflakes appear. I'm going to continue painting until I fill up the whole background, leaving no white space. I just want to have some white snowflakes that shine through and a bright white snowman. Now I'm going to rinse my brush And then I'm going to wake up a new color and finish up my scarf. Wake up yellow. And again, the blue and the purple resist the paint. If you're not using paint, you would just color the background and color the scarf. Use light pressure so you have a light color. When I'm done, I just have to sign it like an artist. Now it's your turn to work. Can't wait to see your snowman.